pizza bagel with that cheesy cook. You need pizza sauce, pepperoni, and sharp cheddar cheese because it's more flavorful. Put that bagel with the green onions, and we're just going to get right into it and cut into it. We're not going to waste your time because I know you're very busy at work, especially with inflation. Let's not talk about that. And you're going to cut up some jalapeno peppers to spice things up. Of course, you need that pizza sauce and sprinkle that cheese right on top. You're going to go ahead and put some pepperoni slices because what's a good pizza without pepperoni? And you're going to add that spicy, flavorful kick with that cilantro as well. We cannot forget the cilantro. Cut up those green onions, and yeah, this is done really fast. Oh, okay. Preheat that oven to 450. You know the drill. 15 to 20 minutes, guys. We're going to just plop that right on there. Stick it in the oven. Buns in the oven, hon. And we're just gonna dance, because what else is there to do but dance like a dork? A side salad to make it healthy. And oh, baby, that pizza bagel. You can tell it just has so much flavor in it. What do you think? Was it good? Or was it disgusting? It's okay. You can tell me the truth. It was good.